Search TITIPO on YouTube.
Loco, the fabulous freight train.
Loco is busy hauling freight today.
Wow, what a great day! Huh? Who's that? Let's go and see. There sure is a long line of freight cars. Whoa, it just keeps going. Wow! Huh? Tony! Hi, good morning.
Hey there, Loco.
It's amazing that you can haul so much cargo at once.
Huh? Oh, this is nothing.
I can't wait to be just like you, Tony.
Soon you'll be hauling a long line of freight, too.
Are you sure?
Yup. Catch you later, Loco.
Later.
Loco is heading back to town after work.
Busy.
Hi, Shutter.
Hi, welcome back.
Thanks. Why do you have so many freight cars?
Mr. Herb told me to get them ready. There's a big haul to move.
Wow! All these cars at once? Who's going to be hauling them?
Now that, I don't really know.
Who do you
Uh-huh.
think? It'll be me, the strongest in Choo Choo Town.
Don't be so sure. Loco could do it, you know.
Me?
Stop joking, Setter.
I'm not.
I wonder who'll make the haul tomorrow. I wish it were me.
Loco dreamed about hauling a never-ending line of freight cars.
Huh? It's Tayo! Tayo! Hello? Huh? Loco! Hello?
Wow! It's super long!
A train hauling the world's longest line of freight cars is making news. People are amazed by the endless parade of cars.
Go, Loco! You're the best, Loco!
Loco? Loco!
Oh, I was dreaming. Oh.
Loco, are you awake?
Yes, Mr. Herb.
Please report to the control center.
Yes, sir. Oh, what if? Huh?
I knew it was me.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, Loco.
What are you all doing here?
Mr. Herb called for me. He probably wants me for the big haul.
The hall?
Mr. Herb called for Bernie and me, too.
I'm sure it's for something else.
Oh, wonder what's going on.
Good, you're all here. I called you over for a group assignment.
Group assignment?
That's right. There's a lot of cargo, so you four will make the haul together.
What?
Depending on the load, it can take several trains to make a trip.
Oh, really?
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, my word, time's getting away. Better get going.
Yes, sir.
Phooey, I wanted to go solo.
This is my first group freight haul. I'm so excited.
Me too.
The little trains are at the depot to get the freight cars. So, who do you think should be at the head of the line?
Of course, me.
Oh? A strong train like me should be out in front.
Nonsense. A brave train like me should lead.
No, I'm going to lead.
You can't, 'cause I'm leading.
Hey guys, please don't fight.
How do we solve this? I know. Hey, guys, why don't you take turns?
What?
The first leg, Manny can lead because he knows the way better. Then the trip back, Diesel can lead.
Yeah, okay. Sounds great.
What a good idea.
TITIPO TITIPO!
Woohoo! This is fun.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Working together like this is wonderful.
It's not wonderful to me.
Diesel's still in a bad mood. Diesel loves to sing fun songs. Hey guys, let's all sing a song together.
I don't wanna. Sing without me.
Oh, come on, it'll be fun. Put your right hand on your friend's right shoulder. Put your left hand on your friend's left shoulder.
1, 2, 3, 4, step in rhythm and start moving. Train is a fun game.
Come, gather round. Come on, like a chain. All aboard, chugga, chugga, let's go faster. Now we are a little train.
Whoa, Diesel. I thought you weren't singing.
Yeah, but it's my favorite song, so...
Really?
Hey guys, wanna sing the song one more time?
Okay, let's go around.
Chugga, chugga, chug, chug, chug.
Manny, are we almost there yet?
Not much longer, Bernie.
Okay.
Huh? Bernie, are you alright?
Yeah.
Bernie must be really tired. How can I help? I know. Hey, Manny, let's go to the right.
But that way will take us much longer.
There's a place I have to see. It would mean a lot.
Oh? Sure, why not?
We're going the long way, but I'm already pooped.
Okay, to the right. Let's go!
Bernie, look to the side.
Side? Wow! It's so beautiful! The flowers have energized me.
Oh, so Loco, you wanted to come this way for Bernie.
Is that true, Loco?
I could tell you were tired, so I thought this route would cheer you up.
Thank you. That was really helpful.
No prob.
Re-energized, the little trains continue on.
Oh? That's a sign for a farm. Manny is afraid of animals. Manny, I think there's a farm near here.
Oh, what? A farm?
Oh, Manny, if you're that scared, then I'll take the lead.
It'll be fine, because we'll be by your side.
Yeah, I guess so.
You know so.
Oh, what are those? Ah, so many sheep! I can't go any further!
We might derail if you suddenly stop.
But I'm so scared!
I know. Let's make the sheep scatter by blowing our whistles together.
Huh? Whistles? Yeah, let's give it a try.
Ready, set, blow!
It worked. Thank you, Loco.
Sure.
The little trains are at the harbor.
Hi,
Quarry. We're here for a carnival.
Hello. Wow, look at the long line of cars. That's pretty impressive. Okay, let's get to loading.
Ready?
Loading and loading, loading more. And that's the last one. You're all set to go.
Thank you, Craney.
Now it's Diesel's turn to be in front.
That's right, Diesel. Come take the lead.
Actually, instead of me, I think Loco should be out in front.
What?
If it weren't for Loco, we wouldn't have made it here. Loco knew I was in a bad mood, so he made us all sing.
Yeah, he even made us take the long way because I love flowers.
And thanks to Loco, we avoided an accident by the farm. As Diesel said, Loco deserves to be in front.
We agree.
Oh, thank you. I'll do my very, very best. I promise.
With a full load, the little trains are chugging along.
Oh? A freight train. Wonder who it is. That That sure is a lot of cargo. Whoa! Hey, guys!
Hello, Tayo.
Hello! I can't believe you're hauling all that. You guys are amazing.
Well, since we're working together, it's not hard at all. Right, guys?
That's right.
Hey, kids. Hidey-ho.
Hello, Tony.
Loco, to see you leading this long line of cars is quite impressive.
It is. Loco is fantabulous.
Told ya. Everything I said the other day was right, huh?
Yes.
Good job, kid. Well, see you around.
Bye.
Wow! My dream has come true! Thanks, guys!
Loco was happy to be able to work with his friends. Way to go, Loco.
Our new friend, Loco!
It's a sunny morning. TITIPO and the little trains are off to see Mr. Herb.
Morning, Mr. Herb!
Morning, everyone.
Mr. Herb, I heard a new train's coming today.
That's right. TITIPO, will you go to the plant and escort the new train here?
Sure, no problem.
When he gets here, Jeannie can show him around town and Diesel can take him on a practice route.
Will do, Mr. Herb.
All right, better get going, TITIPO.
Okay, see you all later.
So, there's a new train coming to town. Wonder what the newbie will be like.
Hi, Teo.
Hello, TITIPO.
I came to get the new train. So where is he?
He's on his way. Oh, here he comes.
Teo!
Hello, Loco. Are you all ready to go?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
There's no need to be. Your escort to town's here. Say hi, TITIPO.
Hello, I'm TITIPO.
Hello, my name's Loco.
TITIPO was also a newbie like you not so long ago.
But that's in the past. Now I'm one of the best trains in town.
Yeah, one of the best.
Just follow my lead.
Thanks, I sure will.
Just wait here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bye, Teo. We'll be heading off now.
Okay, be safe. Take care of Loco.
I will.
Goodbye, Teo, and thank you. Wow! It's real pretty here.
There are lots more other nice spots, too. I'll take you to them.
I like that.
This is the industrial district.
Does that mean there are a lot of factories here?
Uh-huh. You'll be coming to this area often from now on.
Wow! You know everything.
No. I know a cooler place. Want to go?
A cooler place?
It's a track by a big lake. Come on, I'll show ya.
Okay.
TITIPO and Loco are passing through a quiet country area.
I forget which way it is to the lake. Let's just go left and see.
Oh no, that's not right. TITIPO is going the wrong way.
Wow. TITIPO, are we almost there now?
Oh, yeah. We just have to go a little further.
Huh? Where's the lake?
I don't know. We went the wrong way. I'm sorry. Let's just go to Choo Choo Town.
After losing their way, TITIPO and Loco eventually make it to Choo Choo Town.
We're here, Mr. Herb.
Good job, TITIPO. You must be the new train. Welcome.
Hello, Mr. Herb. My name is Loco.
Loco, short for locomotive. Now, you'd better go on in and meet the others.
Okay. Just follow me. Sure. I'm Jeannie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. I'm Loco. Let me show you around Choo Choo Town. That sounds fun. Come on. Okay. See you later. This is the train wash. Do you want me to tell you how it works? Yes. When the green light turns on, it means you can go in. Okay. Wow.
Oh, something's wrong with the train wash.
Loco, are you okay? Yeah. I'm so sorry. Let's go to another spot. Yeah.
Jeannie!
Oh?
Was looking for you. Oh, are you the new train?
Loco, this is Diesel. Hello, Diesel.
Hello to you, too. Do you want to go to the quarry? It's super fun.
The quarry? Go ahead. I can always show you around town later.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Titipo, Titipo.
Diesel and Loco are at the quarry.
Wow. Whoa. What do you do here, Diesel?
I haul rocks from the quarry to places that need them.
Wow. That sounds so cool.
That machine crushes rocks. And that's where I load up. I'll show you how.
Whoa. You're awesome, Diesel.
I can do this in my sleep.
Wow.
If we stop here, the rocks are gonna come down. Now watch carefully.
Diesel, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's TITIPO and Jeannie.
I was showing Loco the train wash, and he came all covered in soap and bubbles. Well, I took a wrong turn and ended up getting lost with Loco.
Hi, guys.
Diesel! What happened to you?
Oh, boy. I was showing Loco my job when I messed up.
We made mistakes, too. Do you think Loco could be upset because of us?
The little trains are worried that they disappointed Loco. It's a new morning.
TITIPO!
Yeah. What's going on?
Loco wants us to meet him at the clock tower now.
Loco? Because of you, my first day here was bad. I'm never playing with you again. What if he says he doesn't want to be friends?
The little trains are going to the clock tower to meet Loco.
Hi, guys. Good morning.
Good morning, Loco.
Everything you did yesterday was so awesome.
What?
That's not true. I got us lost and made you tired. I wasn't, though. I was happy because I got to meet new friends along the way.
Oh, TITIPO.
Hello. Loco, I'll introduce you to my friends. Okay. Eric is a commuter train, so he has long routes. And Sing Sing is the fastest train in Choo Choo Town. Oh, that's so cool. It's nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you, too.
First, I met Eric and Sing Sing.
We're twin freight trains. I'm Manny.
And I'm Bernie.
Hello, Manny, Bernie. You two really do look alike.
I'm very happy to meet you.
Me too. I hope we'll be good friends.
Next, I met Manny and Bernie.
Chicky cha!
Yo, yo! Ho! Nice to meet and greet. You Loco, me fix.
Me lift. Yo, let's be good bros, Loco.
Hey!
Hey!
Ho!
Ho!
Join us and get down. Welcome to
And then I met Fix and Lift.
Lift.
Thanks to TITIPO, I met so many good friends in just one day. Oh, that's great, TITIPO. I guess so. You were great too, Jeannie. What? I was? Yeah. You showed me the whole town. You were the bestest guide ever. That's the control center. Ah. It's where Mr. Herb works. He looks busy. This is the car depot. The freight and passenger cars we use are all kept here. Wow, this place is cool. Thanks to Jeannie, I know the town really well now. You do? I'm so glad.
I guess you're upset with me then.
Upset with you? Why would I be? You had an accident when you were showing me your work. Are you okay, Diesel?
Diesel, what happened?
I wasn't at my mark. I'll move up more.
Wow.
I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
But seeing you do your job like a pro even after the accident, I got goosebumps. I want to be like you, a strong and hardworking freight train.
I am pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, you are. You all are the coolest.
Well, with a little effort, Loco, you'll be as cool as us.
Yeah, that's right. But until then, we'll be here to help. Of course, you can come to us anytime. Wow, thank you.
The little trains have made a cute new friend. Welcome to the group, Loco.
Boo, a ghost.
Trains work at night, too. And tonight, it's Loco's turn.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Loco, looks like you have the night shift.
Yes, it's my first night shift, so I'm sort of nervous.
Don't be nervous. Just do what you usually do.
Okay,
It's time for you to go. I'll see you when you get back.
okay. It's so dark, a little spooky.
Despite being afraid, Loco musters up the courage to do his job.
It's scary being all alone. No, I'm not scared. I'm not scared one bit. But it wouldn't hurt to finish quickly. What was that? All the lights went out. It's scary. I'm tipping over.
Oh no! Loco has fallen down. It's the next morning.
Loco! TITIPO. Are you okay? I heard you had an accident. Yeah. I was going fast because I was scared and I fell. That's awful. Yeah, and I have another night shift tomorrow. Oh, no. Working at night is super scary. Maybe you should talk to Danny. Danny? Who is Danny? He's a train that inspects the tracks and he works at night. So I'm sure Danny will be able to help. Come on, I'll take you to him. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
There's Danny. He's just coming out from the train wash.
I feel clean. Oh?
Danny!
Hello, TITIPO.
Hello! Hello!
Oh, is he a new train?
Yup, this is Loco. Nice to meet you.
Same here. Anyway, do you guys need something?
Well, Loco is afraid to work at night. I thought you could help him, so I brought him over to meet you. Yeah, please help me, Danny.
Of course I'll help you. No problem.
Thanks, Danny!
Okay, are you ready to go?
Wait, hold on.
Oh?
scared. Doesn't the dark scare you too?
No, not at all, Loco.
Wow, how come, Danny?
My job is to inspect the railroad. Oh, the tracks are bent. I should report this to Teo. Teo,
Yes, Danny?
there's a bend in the tracks toward the harbor.
Okay, got it. Thanks for letting me know, Danny.
Sure. Railroad checks have to be done before other trains go to work, so I work at night.
You work in the dark, alone?
It was spooky at first, but then it became fun working at night. That's why you shouldn't worry too much.
Yeah.
Loco follows Danny out into the night.
It's really dark. I'm scared.
Loco, why don't you sing a song?
A song?
Yes. If you sing a happy song, you won't be scared.
Doubt it.
Let's try. Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo. Happy, happy, so very happy. When you're happy, chug, a choo, choo, sing out loud with glee.
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo. Happy, happy, so very happy.
When you're happy, chug, a choo, choo, sing out loud with glee. How do you feel?
I think I feel a little better. There are no more lights. It's so dark.
Let's try and focus on something else. Like the times you had fun with your friends.
The times I had fun with my friends?
Look at the flowers. They're so pretty.
That time when we went on an outing was super fun.
See, Loco? You're not scared.
Whoa, you're right, Danny.
Told you, there are many ways to overcome fears. Oh, Loco, can you stop for a minute?
Stop? Why?
Shh. Listen, close your eyes, Loco.
Huh? Wow! What's that pretty sound?
It's grasshoppers. You can hear them on a quiet night.
It's like music!
Now look at the sky.
The sky? But there's nothing there.
Look closer.
Closer? Wow! So many stars!
Aren't they pretty?
Yes, totally! I had no idea the night was so cool!
Think you're ready to do this alone now?
Alone? I don't know. I still might be a little scared.
Really? Then why don't I tag along tomorrow?
Wow! Thank you so much!
No problem. That's what friends are for.
We're friends?
Yes, we're friends.
That's right! We're good friends! Titipo, Titipo!
Loco!
Oh, Danny! You're here early. My shift doesn't start till much later.
I know, but something urgent came up, and I don't think I can go with you tonight. Sorry.
What? You can't? This is awful.
Just remember the tips I gave you. I'm sure you'll be fine on your own, Loco.
Yeah, okay, Danny.
It's finally time for Loco to start his night shift.
I'll see you when you get back, Loco.
Okay. It's really foggy tonight. But if I do what Danny taught me to do, then it won't be scary. I've got this.
Danny is already out working.
Whew, I'm all done. I wonder if Loco is doing all right. And it's so foggy tonight. I'll go and check on him. Oh, the fog is getting thicker. I can't see anything. Oh no. I'm out of fuel. I was in such a rush that I forgot to refuel. Oh, it's a train. I need some help. Over here.
Loaded with cargo, Loco is heading back out.
It may be dark, but it's not scary. Happy, happy, so very happy. Singing a song's not helping this time. I'll think of something fun that happened.
When you're happy, chug-a-choo-choo, chug-chug-a-choo-choo. Sing out with glee.
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo. Wow, so pretty.
Loco, we're good friends now. Help me, please!
Huh? What was that sound? What is that? It's a ghost!
Please, I need some help. I'm stuck. I can't move. Please help me!
Huh? I know that voice.
Over here!
That sounds like Danny. He must have gotten caught by a ghost.
You're all alone. No train will help you.
No, wait! Please, let me go! Let me go!
It's time to go to Ghost Train Town.
I don't want to go! Let me down!
When I needed help, Danny was there for me. All right, I'm not going to run like a coward. I'm coming, Danny. Leave Danny alone, you scary ghost train! He's my friend, and you're not taking him away!
Oh? Loco? Loco!
Danny! Is the ghost train gone?
What? The ghost train?
Just now you were captured by the ghost train and you yelled for help.
I yelled out for help because I ran out of fuel.
But I saw the ghost train right here.
Ah, the fog must have made me look like a ghost.
It was the fog? I really thought it was a ghost. I'm so relieved.
Loco is giving Danny a tow to the fuel station.
Hey, so Loco,
Huh?
did you come to save me even though you were scared?
Yeah, I didn't want the ghost train to take you away. I was really scared, but that's what friends are for.
Loco, you were very brave.
You would do the same for me. I think I can do my night shifts alone now.
Oh, really?
Really?
Loco overcame his fear for his friend. Way to go, Loco!